Assalamu alaikum. I'm Ahmed here. Today we are going to discuss about the Annex B. The Annex B details about the qualification of an inspector, how much education and experience is required to become an inspector. So first of all, uh, if you have a BSc degree, then it is mandatory for you you should have a 1 year of experience. Then you are eligible to apply for the examination. If you have a diploma or a 12-year education, so you should have a 3 years of experience. Even one who do not have any kind of a degree, but he knows some writing and reading. So if he has a experience more than 5 years, then he is also eligible to for this certification. He may apply for the this certification. Okay, but it is mandatory for him. He has 5 years of experience. Once you did certification, then this certification is valid for 3 years. Then if you let's suppose if you get your certification in 2026, then it means you are eligible for the your certification will be eligible for the 2029. uh, Without any examination, after 3 years you get renewal of your certification, and after that your next certification will be valid for 6 years. After 6 years you may go for the once again for the examination of API 510. Okay, uh, today's lecture is about the Annex B. We have discussed about the certification and recertification of an inspector.